works. Dorzell says, yep, especially now, can't work a job like to use my certificate, field inspections. Oh, this is a great time. She's not working.
Oh, you not working? Girl. Wait a minute. You not working? Okay, so if you're not working, I guarantee you, if you work the course like you would any other CNA program in 2 to
I don't
3.
think Dorzell is in the program yet.
Oh, well, watch the
But that's
video.
okay.
Watch the videos. Watch the videos and see if you can't get
They
into
say they love you.
Oh, I'm telling you. Wait a minute. Oh, love you too. Love you too, girl. Love y'all too. Because I'm telling you, this is a great way to be your own boss and get. You won't be hungry if you learn, know what you're doing. So if you're not working, because I do mine on the weekends. I thought I was gonna have my grandkids. I'm about to go in here and watch the next video. They go section by section, rewatch, rewind if something don't make sense. And you, girl, you'll be on your way in no time. I mean, no time. If you're not working, girl, you start stamping some papers. You get your notary commission, take that notarize like a pro. You can make $100 a day just doing it or more. I'm just saying the minimum. I'm just saying the minimum in.
It's $3,000 a month.
People need notaries every day, all day, and witnesses.
What about Sunday?
She's trying to figure out how to make money on Sunday. I said, you wouldn't
How
run
to
up
give
there.
it to somebody.
Yeah, she gave it away to Lisa.
No, I didn't. I took that.
Oh, you took it?
I was gonna give it to Lisa.
Okay. Well, anyhow, yeah, I don't think I would be working for myself.
You can tell them about that job right quick. What's going on Sunday? The offer I got.
Now that you talking about this to be the witness?
No, the hospital one now. To go to the hospital on Sunday, I was like,
Are you doing? Yeah, is that?
I'm gonna go. That's a power of attorney.
Oh yeah, she's gonna do a POA.
But you thought you had your kids.
Yeah.
Girl, you might be able to go Sunday.
Yeah, because I got my commission. I just gotta get my bag together. Yeah.
You want to try to go?
I sure will. Yeah,
hey,
and then
Lisa,
we'll let y'all know how.
Lisa, will you be her witness on Sunday if she can get herself together?
I'm gonna get myself together.
It's my job, but if Lisa will go and help pay, you can pay her a little something to help you get through it too.
I'm gonna watch the video.
You gonna get through it?
Yeah, I should be able to get through it.
So can you be her witness, Lisa, on Sunday? Or anybody in Snellville 30078 zip code could be her witness. Reach out at info at
yeah, because them grandkids ain't coming.
Info at notaryeducators.com. But I think we'll use Lisa if she can do it. And I'll put it in the chat first.
Yeah. And
we'll let y'all Sunday, that could be your first job.
And we'll let you know how it go. Because I'm scared, I ain't gonna lie. But you gotta get started. Hi ladies, I wish I had you both here. Hey MJ. Thank you.
You can have us both every week. We meet every week live, honey. We train notaries nationwide. We do not have to be in the same state. And we got 1,000 Texas in notaries from Texas. Not literally 1,000, but we got a whole slew from Texas in our mentorship program. So the mentorship program is nationwide. Nationwide. Okay? Not just here. We did a whole success one last week. Maybe go back and check that out on the channel. Nothing but successes nationwide. So it doesn't matter where you're located. You need to be where the information is located, and that's with us
on this platform. Because even though she said somebody may be there to assist me, which would be great, but I'm gonna watch the POA videos over and over again. I want to know. I want my own business. This is my sister's. This is her business. This is not my business. I want to be able to launch my own Google page. I want to be able to launch my own Google page. I want to be able to have generate my own, like Lisa, everybody else, and then Happy. Is that charitable? Yeah. Notary Happy. I met some of the ladies, like how they got their own. They meet up with Kim. Kim is a mentor, and they're in the program. But those ladies are off doing their own thing. I don't want to be waiting on her to eat. I can't wait on nobody to eat, because a lot of times she may not want to do nothing but teach, or her stuff is her loan signers. She got her stuff made. I'm trying to make a name for myself, and I'm trying to get known and get my business. And the only reason I'm gonna get her that job on Sunday is because I want her to get some experience. So I don't just be trying to get my work away, okay? Because that's $100. And I'm charging her $125 for Sunday. It should be $150, but they give me so much work that I give them a discount. And you think I ain't gonna try to go up there and get that $100? Who makes $100 on Sunday on their off day?
For 30 minutes.
Craig. Nobody.
For 30 minutes.
Okay.
You can read these comments. Hold on. Let's see. Start Start right there with Leslie.
Hey, Leslie, I love you. Love you, Leslie. Leslie, we
Slide
gonna get this money, Leslie. Yeah, and then Dorzell. Hey, Dorzell. Yeah, my thoughts exactly. That's right.
You skipped one.
And then also I have that.
What you got, Dorzell? You said you
Oh,
got.
I'm a notary. He's a notary.
notary.
Oh, you already. What? Okay, you already have. You got. So Dorzell, you had a notary. You got the power. Remember, documents equal dollars, and you got the notary stamp already. You just gotta know what to do with it and how to move and know the laws in your state.
And how to notarize like a what?
Pro.
Like a what?
Like a pro.
Like a pro.
Like a pro.
All right, you can slide up. Get those last few comments. We're gonna get ready.
And
so again, it doesn't matter where you're located. We teach nationwide.
Yeah, Leslie. And
notaryeducators.com is the website.
And so Dorsell, you're certified in all three. He said he'll look into that. Thanks. And Leslie said thanks, good. And then yep. And Dorsell.
Anyone in Miami? Dorzell, we have Florida. Our Miami person, she just moved to Michigan. But we have several from Florida. We have nationwide. When I tell you nationwide, we got Nevada, Michigan, Georgia, nationwide. Wherever you from, we teach you. So let me explain it like this really quick. If you have a doctor, he specializes in eyes, right? Ophthalmology. He does not have to see a black person, a white person, an Asian person. The eyes are located the same place on every single person's body, right? As a notary, your stamp is your stamp is your stamp. You stamp papers from all over. Doesn't matter where you're located. You need to know what to do with the stamp. That's what I teach you, okay? What to do with that notary stamp. And I'm going to let Katie tell you one more thing. Katie needs to tell you one more thing. When you got your commission and they gave you the test, because you had to take a little test, did it prepare you like notarize like a pro and my course does?
No.
Tell them.
No, when you take the test for the state of whatnot, it's pretty basic information. You have to read over content and then ask some questions. But if you just take the state's test and get your commission, you're not gonna know what you're doing. They give you the basic till you have to pass that test, but the real knowledge comes from actually taking instructions from somebody who know. The lady that stamped my paper and gave me my commission, I took the oath, and some people do, some people don't. I took the test. She verified it was me, gave me my commission. Okay, have a happy life. Okay, now, okay, thank you. I got this commission. I'm a notary, so now what?
Does it teach you the business?
No, it don't teach you the business. It don't teach you documents either.
They don't teach you.
They don't give you sample documents, because a little bit of what you were saying about how can she teach someone from another state, the notary program, and then that's kind of in notarize like a pro, because in that video, the venue or where the party is happening, or the county, or where everybody is, you can actually change that on the document.
So that's all the kind of stuff you need to be learning.
You can change that.
How to properly notarize documents.
Yes, okay? You can change that, because you get something from Florida. We're not in Florida.
Right, you're going to tell your client, you got to go back to Florida. Sorry, no. I'm in Georgia.
Legally, you can draw a line through it. No.
You're in Florida. I'm in Georgia. You going to tell me to come back to Georgia? You
no.
get a client from California.
No.
You get a client from Texas, and you're in Texas. I'm in Georgia. I'm visiting down there in Texas, wherever you are. You're going to tell me, no, you got to go back to Georgia. No. All your documents are going to come from all over the world, especially when you start doing apostilles, okay? So you need to know what you're doing.
Okay, and Dorzell, one that you said, I do very little notary, really need the experience and training. Well, you're in the right place. You're in the right place. You watch that video, it will all make sense as to what you need to do and how to do it when you do get documents from another state. But the venue is right here in Georgia. The document may be somewhere else, but it's right here.
What we're going to encourage her to do is check out the benefits of the two different options. You have the $27 option and the $27 option, $27 or $47 option. And we meet together live, notaries nationwide every single week.
So if you on a budget, take advantage of what you can afford, and as you grow the program.
You can upgrade.
But it's worth it, and you will make that money back.
Yeah,
quickly.
That's why a lot of people have been with us for years.
You'll make it back.
It's just part of their business expense.
Yeah.
The mentorship program. They've been with us for years. It's just part
Yeah,
of their
check
business
it
plan.
out, Dorsey. Check it out. Yes,
Let me
you won't
see.
regret it.
Notary Giant was saying something. Hey, Notary Giant out of New York. What's up, my friend? I just know him.
Hi, Notary Giant.
He is a giant. He like, how tall are you, Notary Giant? He said, hey, Kimmi, I need you to pull my number from Clubhouse. I might have a POA client for you. So I don't do all the Georgia Notary client, Giant, but you can send it to me. Just email me at info@notaryeducators.com. info@notaryeducators.com. Okay? And I see we got a lot of people that joined us. We were trying to get out of here, but if y'all got a couple more questions, we will take them rapidly. Because it's Friday night, we want to let y'all get back to y'all. Dorzell says she's going to check out the website.
Do that, yes.
notaryeducators.com. We got you.
Yeah.
6'8". I know he saw.
Oh, wow. NBA.
Yeah, 6'8".
NFL.
Yeah, he running New York, girl.
I see.
He's out of New York.
Just move. They move.
This is my sister, Notary Giant KD.
Hey, when they see you coming, they just move out your way, right? You don't even have to say a word. Just walk through. When you walk through.
Too, the Notary Giant.
When you walk through.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. All right, guys. And good to see you here. Anything else for you all? Anything else? Because we get ready to wrap it up for real. Well, hopefully Kay Denise is going to be joining us.
Thank you. If that's right, thank you. I will be joining you. And thank you for welcoming me. And I love you all. I love how y'all on y'all grind. Y'all get y'all money. I listen to y'all because y'all my inspiration for me to learn and to be great. And y'all keep up. Y'all doing great things. I admire that.
All right. Well, we're going to thank Kay Denise for her time this evening, hanging out with me. Like I said, hopefully we'll see her even more.
Yeah.
And on the channel, I'm trying to get her to be a YouTuber. She's processing that. It's not for everybody, but y'all know I love running my mouth and I love talking all things notary. So all things notary, notaryeducators.com. Don't forget coupon code is Friday, FRIDAY. And we will see you over in mentorship, okay? Or next time I go live. All right, guys. Have a great weekend. Much success to you and notarize like a what?
Pro.
Like a what?
Pro.
Pro. All right, y'all. See you later. Bye.
Bye.